show you another bypass now. This is a cheap as chips padlock. It didn't cost much. It can be quite tricky to pick sometimes, daft as it sounds. I think it was a £1 special. Anyway, basic padlock, looks nice, sturdy, high security, but it isn't, as you'd imagine, for £1. Just to show you it's all working. Take the key out, lock that all up again. Now I'm going to open this with a tension wrench. This one's from the Southford 22-piece pick set from UK Bumpkeys. Just shows you how versatile it is. Basically, try and get a bit closer for you. You can pick it for 10 minutes, or you can put your tension wrench in, put a small amount of pressure on, and there you go. Open. Show you that one more time. I'll show you it once from each angle. So my tension wrench is in, small amount of pressure, and we're open. Show you this way again just to get a nice clear picture. You'll hear it go. All locked up. Tension wrench in, click it down, and we're open. Another exclusive for ukbumpkeys.com.
That's all, folks.